the market of halal industry. 3.1 trillion US dollars. It's very, very big. That's why, unfortunately, Indonesia is a Muslim country with 230 million Muslim population. We are not the key player in halal industry yet. In this region, the countries like Thailand is number one. This is what they earn from the halal industry. Not even Malaysia. Even though Malaysia is ranked number one in GIE. Among the 3.1 trillion, half of that goes to the services. About a quarter of that going to services, which is we call this halal tourism. In industry, we call this Muslim-friendly tourism, not halal tourism. Muslim-friendly tourism to make it a more acceptable by even non-Muslim. In Indonesia, the difference between Indonesia and Malaysia is Indonesia at the moment ni minta maaf ni Bu Senator ya. The fact is Indonesia is that we still focusing on halal certification. We are not developing our own halal industry.
That's right.
So this is why we are still lagging behind compared to Australia, New Zealand. Even the halal chicken, the number one in the world is from Brazil. Where we can develop our own industry. So this is the thing. A lot of things need to be done. When we talk about the Muslim-friendly tourism just now, we got in West Sumatra and Lombok. Things need to be improved here, and this is where I think Bahrain can play your roles by investing and the thing to improve a facility. Because halal industry, the trend is mashallah is growing very, very fast. Countries like Japan, Korea. I just come back from Korea. I delivered a talk in front of 450 MBA student in Busan, taking masters in Muslim-friendly tourism. So the course in Korea. So how Korea, Japan, and now China focus on tourism, meaning that if we do not prepare ourselves, meaning in terms of regulations, facility, infrastructure, we may just think, we are very good scenery, we have this.